Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this board hosting site provider, which is Mochahost. So here's the breakdown. Mochahost is a web hosting provider that aims to give you robust performance and flexibility at competitive price. Whether you are launching a simple blog or powering a business site, it offers a shared hosting, VPS, dedicated server, and a cloud option, plus easy site builder and click installed for WordPress and other platforms. The pros include the affordable plan, the solid uptime, varieties of hosting types to grow your site, and the responsive customer support that help you when issue pop up. Talking about the cons, which it is on site, they include the upsells on add-on, less sophisticated management tools for power user, and share hosting that may be slower than top tier competitors. So my opinion, I think the Mochahost is worth using if you want a bold, budget-friendly solution, hosting solution with room to scale, especially for small business, personal sites, and creators who want strong basic without a big price tag. And that's it.